Do you live every day with thick, ugly, discolored, misshapen nails that you're embarrassed to show in public? You can't leave the house without covering them up. You deserve to walk barefoot without worry. You deserve to no longer feel ashamed. You deserve to get your life back. Click the link in the description to get the complete information or watch this video till the end, and we will show you how. There are a lot of toenail fungus treatments available today. It ranges from do-it-yourself home remedies, to prescription drugs as well as natural remedies for it. Most of these remedies may have mixed results with different people, some have even very dangerous side effects that may result in death. But the general rule is that prevention is the best toenail fungus treatment. One must avoid in-risk situations such as walking barefoot in public showers, baths, wearing tight-fitting shoes, or sharing nail clippers or files with a person infected. If one has already been infected, immediate treatment is necessary so that it won't lead to more serious complications. Here are some of the top toenail fungus treatments available today. 1. ZettaClear. An all-natural treatment such as ZettaClear has been proven as an effective toenail fungus treatment. It contains an effective formulation of natural oils which have been effective in treating toenail fungus. These include jojoba oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil, which have antifungal properties. They don't have any adverse side effects, unlike other medications. They also have a 30-day guarantee that stipulates you can return your purchase if it doesn't work. 2. Medicines. The doctor may give you prescription medicines as treatment for the toenail fungus. The 3 approved toenail fungus treatments by the US FDA are terbinafine, itraconazole and griseofulvin. But patients are warned of prolonged use of these medicines since it can lead to heart and liver damage, or even death. 3. Epsom. The use of Epsom salts is also another good way of treating toenail fungus infections. One simply soaks in a foot bath with Epsom salt solution every day. Some patients have said that it reduces the swelling of the toe and can make walking with them much more comfortable. This may take a lot of time and patience since it has to be done every day. Most of the time, it may take several months for the fungus to be completely eliminated. 4. Vinegar. Others have recommended soaking in vinegar as another toenail fungus treatment. Others have added oil of oregano as an alternate treatment. This has to be done regularly though, just like the use of Epsom salts. Just like Epsom salts, some improvement may come in a couple of weeks but it will take a lot of months before it can be healed. Others have reported mixed results with this kind of treatment. 5. Vicks. Another alternative treatment is the use of Vicks Vapor Rub. A lot of people have recommended it, but still it doesn't recommend 100% effectiveness. These are some of the top toenail fungus treatments based on the experience of patients who have tried these treatments. So it is best that one consults expert medical advice over do-it-yourself approaches. Some treatments may work on some patients, most will not, so it is good that one seeks immediate treatment so that it will not go to the worst-case scenario, such as surgery. Get rid of painful, foul-smelling toenail fungus with the right nail fungus treatment. If your toenail fungus infection is at a more advanced stage, you need a more effective medical solution than home remedies. Click the link in the description for the complete guide. Act now before your nails are permanently destroyed.